1 cup of plain flour or maida, salt to taste, a quarter teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of instant yeast. If you're like me who likes herbed pizza bases, then you can add some chili flakes and basil or oregano also if you wish. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and some warm water. So let us start making it. So into this kneading plate, I'm going to add in my plain flour or maida, salt, basil and chili flakes. Into this bowl, I'm going to add in about half a cup of water. Make sure to use warm water, neither hot nor cold. Sugar and the yeast. Now I'm going to give it a mix around. Now I'm going to keep this aside for about 10 minutes. This froth tells us that the yeast is activated. Now we are going to knead the dough. Add in this mixture. Now we are going to knead this. This is pretty sticky and soft. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it now. Now I'm going to knead this for about 2 minutes and then we are going to cover it and prove it for about 1 hour. Here is my dough. Now I'm going to cover it and keep this aside in a warm place for about 1 hour. For the tikka, you will need paneer. Here I have taken about half a cup of cubed paneer, about half a cup of vegetables. Here I have taken cubed onions and bell peppers, 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Here I have a mix of spices. In this I have about 2 teaspoons of roasted besan, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste. So this is going to be our quick tikka masala. You will also need about 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Into this bowl, I'm going to add in my masala that we made, about 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and I'm going to mix it really well. A little more yogurt goes in. You can also add little bit of garlic, ginger, it's totally up to you. I'm making a quick tikka, so nothing like that. I've heated the mustard oil till it was smoky. Now I'm going to add the mustard oil to it. Be very careful. Don't use hands now. So this looks perfect. I'm going to add in my paneer, little bit of onions, bell peppers. So this is totally perfect. Now I'm going to give it a good mix around. This looks absolutely delish. Now I'm going to cover this and keep this aside for about 30 minutes. Here is our paneer tikka mixture. Now I'm going to take this square sticks and square it in. You can square it in any manner because this is going to go into a pizza. So I'm going to make the squares like so. Here I have a gas tandoor which I'm going to use to make our tikkas. Be very careful while using this kind of stuff. And this is being preheating for the past 10 minutes. Quickly I'm going to close this and cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Turning every 1 to 2 minutes in medium to high flame. For completing the pizza, you will need the proven dough, plain flour or maida to dust, pizza sauce about 2 to 3 tablespoons, paneer tikka, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, mozzarella cheese, mixed herbs and salt. So let us start. Here is a tandoor. This is a gas tandoor which is heating up from past 5 minutes. There is also a tawa which is going to work as a pizza stone inside. You can also use a normal oven or you can watch our recipe to make pizza. There I am going to show you how to make pizza without this tandoor as well. Well, for now I am going to take the dough and take it out. First of all I am going to dust little bit of flour over here. And with floured hands take the dough out. And all the air is already out from it. I am going to knead this dough little bit just like this. No hardcore kneading. Here is my dough which I am going to roll. Into this tawa I am going to add in about half a tablespoon of oil. And comes our rolled pizza base. So this looks fine. I am going to add in my pizza sauce. And spread it well. Now comes the cheese. So cheese is also there. Now we are going to keep the paneer tikka. You can get very creative with this. I am spreading little bit of olive oil in the edges. Now this goes inside our tandoor for about 4 to 5 minutes in medium to high flame or until done. Our pizza is ready. Our paneer tikka pizza is absolutely ready. Sprinkle over a little bit of salt and herbs if you wish.